Wengie
and Max and Slime Hugs.
And today we're doing a challenge.
Ooh, what kind of challenge?
It's the real slime versus fake slime challenge.
Ooh, okay, what does that mean?
Each of us is gonna get a surprise ingredient. One is normally in a real slime recipe, and the other one is just a random fake ingredient that we have to turn into slime somehow.
Wait, what's the random ingredient?
We don't know.
You telling me you could give me like a poop instead of glue?
And then you gotta get your hands in there.
No, no.
Although poop
I didn't
is kind
sign
of
up for
slimy
this.
already, so I think it's gonna be an easy one.
I'm scared, guys. I'm so scared.
And by the way, guys, Max has a gaming channel. He's a Roblox gamer.
That's right.
His gaming channel is Max Mello. We have linked it down below, so don't forget to go subscribe. I play Roblox on there sometimes too.
Yeah, she's actually really, really bad.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right,
Let's go.
All right, guys, this is round one.
Ding, ding, ding. I'm the bell.
This is our first round where one of us has to make slime out of a strange ingredient.
I hope it's not me. I want the real ingredient. There's two very suspicious looking cups here. Is there one real ingredient and one fake ingredient?
Correct. Why don't we rock, paper, scissors for it?
Okay.
And then whoever wins gets to choose first.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm getting nervous. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, why are we thinking the same thing?
Psychic powers. Okay, I'm channeling paper. I'm gonna do paper. I'm
Don't
doing paper.
distract me.
Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Ah! The mental strategy. That doesn't mean I get the real one.
No,
though.
it doesn't.
It just means I get
first pick.
I just choked on my own spit.
Great.
Okay, which one am I gonna pick? Round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. I'm going to pick Mr. Pink Cup.
Oh, I was gonna pick the pink cup
Well, too bad you got the yellow color. The worst color in the world.
that you're wearing.
Wait. 3, 2, 1.
What? They're
wait,
the same. We both got Play-Doh.
Wait, is Play-Doh an ingredient for slime?
Sometimes it can be.
Okay.
I got purple Play-Doh.
Well, I got pink Play-Doh. I can only assume that one of these is fake Play-Doh.
What? Well, mine smells like real Play-Doh.
Well, mine smells like real Play-Doh as well.
No.
It does.
Yours smells like slime clay. Oh no! You got the Daiso clay.
Let's start making our slime.
All
You
right.
ready?
No.
We got our glue.
I'm gonna put this Play-Doh here as a reminder that you can turn lemons into lemonade. All right, let's do this.
All right.
I'm gonna add my little glue. I'm just gonna make some slime first of all, and then I'm gonna try and fold the Play-Doh into my slime.
I'm going to use all my glue because I'm just that confident about turning mine into a slime. Because I got the Daiso clay, the sweet, sweet Japanese clay. Give it to me. I have no idea what I turned into, like a half monkey, half squirrel.
What would you call that?
A squonky.
Alright, so I'm gonna try and fold this Play-Doh into this clear slime.
Is it working?
It is!
Oh!
Look at that!
It doesn't actually look too bad. Meanwhile, why can't my slime activate? This is taking me a million years. Right. Well, I almost given up. I can't even get mine into a slime. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Oh, a million years later, I have my slime. This doesn't look that great, to be honest. What has happened to me? My slime is like solid. Ooh.
It's so satisfying watching Daiso clay being folded into slime. Well, look at this. What do you
Oh, dude, that looks good. This is not good.
Sounds good.
Well, mine is definitely overactivated. Check that out. Oh, yours is so cute.
It's a mini one. Alright guys, that's it for this round. Remember to put your score down below and we're on to the next round.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we are at round 2. I'm hoping to get the real ingredient this time.
Well, I mean, it didn't make much of a difference with me last time. I still kind of stuffed my real ingredient up, so, you know, I don't think it really matters, to be honest.
Well, let's rock, paper, scissors for the try.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
No!
Well, I would normally pick pink, and I'm not feeling like it's my lucky day because the first round I got the fake ingredient. So I'm gonna go with whatever I wanted to do, the opposite of that.
So you're gonna pick the blue unicorn, I picked the pink unicorn. That kind of makes sense.
3, 2, 1.
1.
Oh, what is
Oh,
this? Oh,
what
shaving
the heck?
foam!
Wait, I got shaving foam too.
Is it?
Oh, It says shaving gel.
But it's got little bubbles, so it might turn into foam.
Will this work or not? Oh, I feel a little fancy with my female shaving gel. Just, you know, take me to the salon.
Stop shaving on my channel!
What? What the? My face suddenly feels really smooth for some reason. Alright, so I guess we're trying to make slime, you with shaving foam and me with shaving gel.
Which means we're making fluffy slime!
Woo!
Well, since I've got the real ingredient, I'm gonna make the best fluffy slime ever.
Oh, better not snap under the pressure like I did.
Alright, so we're gonna go with saving the glue.
A little bit of glue.
We used way too much glue on my slime bar video if you haven't watched it. So I'm on a glue conservation right now. Now I'm gonna put in my shaving foam.
Oh, I'm so jealous. Look how
look
fluffy
at it.
that looks. It looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Ooh, this doesn't look right. I'm gonna add some food dye in first.
I'm gonna go with a peach slime.
I'm going to go with a turquoise slime.
Why not?
Oh, it's fluffing up. Look at it. Dude, mine looks lit.
We should mix all our slimes together afterwards at the very end.
Oh yes, we are definitely gonna mix all of our slimes at the end of this show, so make sure you stick around to check that out.
Alright, I'm gonna put the activator in now.
Me too, time for some activation.
This is my favorite part.
Oh, check this out. It is a beast.
Alright, I have my beautiful fluffy slime. Now, where are you at?
Here it is.
It feels really good.
Look, I've overactivated my slime again. Guys, I'm getting triggered. Look, it's so activated, I can't even swing it. You know? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, that wasn't me. I didn't have beans for breakfast.
The musical fruit. Wanna see my poop?
No. Oh, that looks so good. You wanna see my poop?
Alright guys, who do you think did the best slime for round 2? Write it in the comment section and we're gonna move on to the next round. Ready guys?
Let's go.
Alright guys, we are back with round 3. The ingredients are there. We have no idea what it is.
Well, honestly, at this point, it doesn't really matter what it is because I have failed every single one. Doesn't matter if it's real or fake.
And I've made the best and I've turned lemon into lemonade.
All right, let's see who gets to pick this round. 3, 2, 1. Oh! All right, I am going to pick Mr. Blue.
Mr. Blue.
Mr. Blue is
Alright,
for me.
well I get Mrs. Pink. Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
it's glitter glue.
glue. Well, I guess not both of these are glue, right?
It's cold and jiggly, but it's got glitter in it. Although the glitter looks really rank. I'm gonna hazard a guess that this one is the fake one, but as for what it is, I don't know yet.
I think we gotta smell it. It smells like glue.
Okay, yep. Well, we knew
Not
that.
very nice.
Mine smells like... Ooh.
It smells like lime.
It smells good.
No, I didn't say it was Jello. No, what?
Yeah, this is lime Jello. Hey, you said no eating on your thing and... All right, let's see if we can turn this Jello into slime.
Are you really gonna add that first?
I don't have glue. I think I'm gonna need some extra ingredients to make this work. I wanna be able to eat it afterwards. So, my ingredients of choice are going to be... Boom!
Whoa!
Glucose syrup and corn flour? I think this is corn flour. Oh, that's sweet sugar. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah! Oh my gosh. This is looking so good. Wait, is that
you have enough.
Okay. Well, I'm mixing together the glucose and my Jello, and it's not really mixing.
I feel like mine is activated. All right.
I have no idea what's going on, but I'm just gonna hope that by adding corn flour, it'll magically turn into slime.
That kind of looks satisfying.
Do you think this will work?
No. All right, I feel like my slime is almost done.
Oh,
It's
dude.
coming off the sides of
That
the
looks
bowl.
good. Okay, let's see if this works, guys. No, it's just melting. Oh my gosh.
Well, my slime is on the table. Look at how nice the slime looks.
That looks pretty nice. Guys, I can't make this Jello into a slime. Help me. Well, I think we know who won this challenge because there's only one slime on this table and it ain't mine. At least it might taste good. Oh, Oh no! What is this?
It looks like corn flour.
I don't know what I just ate. What is this? Is corn flour sour? Because this is sour.
Jesse, like bicarb soda?
Oh.
Like baking soda?
Maybe this is baking soda. You know what? If I don't see you guys ever again,
Because of the baking soda.
it was nice knowing you. I had a nice life. Goodbye. Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, vote for your favorite slime down below. I think there's only one option here, and we will move on. Let's go.
Alright guys, it is round 4, and now we already have the slime in front of
For
us.
some reason, we have been provided a clear slime. Look how good that looks.
It is quite clear. I wonder what's in there then.
It must have something to do with a clear slime.
What has something to do with clear slime? You put fruit dye in clear slime. You put charms in clear slime. What else do you put? What
Maybe
else?
it's charms. Let's see who gets the real versus fake one. Are you ready?
Alright,
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Yay!
Alright, which one are you gonna choose, buddy? You got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Pink.
Okay, so you chose pink. I get yellow. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh, it's sprinkles. Wait,
Sprinkles too. Why do we have
we
the same
both
thing?
have sprinkles.
What's supposed to be a fake ingredient?
Wait. Oh, mine look quite tasty. Okay, mine are real, which means yours must be fake.
Can you eat mine?
You got edible cake sprinkles.
They still look cute.
They might actually look okay.
Let's put the sprinkles on. Ooh, look at that. But your colors are a little bit brighter.
They are a little bit brighter, which I'm not complaining about.
So what do we do with sprinkles once it's on slime? We poke it. My turn first. Ooh.
That is so satisfying.
Look, the sprinkles are now white and my slime is like colored.
You got like a green slime now.
Well, the colors mixed together don't look that great. This is a mess, guys.
I'm going to play with my Oh, look at that.
That looks so cool. It's kind of like a sprinkle tornado.
Ooh.
Ooh. That is satisfying.
And the colors don't run. Oh, dude, my clear slime looks so good.
My clear slime looks disgusting now.
Don't you guys just love like sprinkles in clear slime? It just looks so satisfying.
Alright, well, I guess there's not much of a comparison.
Look, at least yours stayed a slime though.
Well, it was given to me. So it was kind of like a free
Hey,
pass.
don't try and contaminate mine with yours. Yours is getting a little plate. Hey,
How
hey,
you doing?
hey. Alright guys, vote for your slime down below.
Remember, this is still slime even though it's ugly. Now it's time to go on to the next round.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we are on the final round.
Alright, you ready to pick? 3, 2, 1.
Hey, what was that? You just went... It's like you were gonna do something and then you saw my scissors. Fine, just pick the color.
I pick pink.
Alright.
Alright. I kind of cheated, but hopefully I didn't pick the wrong one. 3, 2, 1.
What?
What?
This is activator?
This is activator?
I'm confused. Is one of this fake activator?
That is so mean.
Well, I guess we'll see what it is and who got the real and who got the fake because we still don't know yet. Hey, yours doesn't smell like anything. Maybe it's water.
Well, then you just get like a watery slime.
Okay, I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of glue. I don't want to waste the glue if this is not real activator.
Alright, pick a color.
I think the blue would mix nicely
Alright.
into all my slime.
I'm gonna go with yellow. The worst color in the world because my shirt's yellow.
Alright, I've got the blue in. Let's mix, mix, mix. This is the satisfying part. Ooh.
I got the yellow.
That looks like mustard, like
Wait.
hot dog mustard.
Yeah, this doesn't look that bright. Alright, well, we've got our slimes with their colors.
We don't know who got the real or fake activator.
Okay, you ready?
Ready?
Oh no, let's hope mine's real, guys.
Oh, mine's sliming up!
Wait, mine's sliming. Wait,
Mine's sliming up!
is it slime? No, mine's not sliming up. What's happening? Maybe if I add more.
Ugh, that's looking real gross.
Oh wait, it smells disgusting. I can smell it now. Oh, gross, my nose. That's gross. This is the worst slime in the world. Gosh, I'm so sad.
world.
This is my karma for cheating in that rock, paper, scissors.
Well, the universe has spoken. Alright, well, I'm pretty good with my glue. I feel like, oh, look, it's cleaning off the balls nicely. Oh, look at that activation.
This can't be saved. Oh, I gotta put this in my slime smoothie. No, this is gonna destroy every single one of my slimes.
Have fun. Well, mine's a pretty good slime. Look at this. It's nice and blue. It's quite pretty. It's really stretchy.
Mine's kind of making me like gag because the smells. Oh.
Alright, well, I'm gonna do my slime poop. Ready? Oh yeah. So guys, I think it's time to vote down below who you thought won this round. I wonder who won the whole challenge. And now it's time to mix all the slimes together into a slime smoothie. Ready and...
Oh,
these
there
are all
it is.
slimes from before. My Play-Doh slime, my fluffy slime, my glue slime, and my sprinkle slime. Well, lucky you have a bowl.
I just added the two worst ones together first because I don't even know.
You know what? I wonder what peach, purple, and blue make. Let's have a look.
Wait, why is my thing kind of activating?
Oh, gross! Meanwhile, look how pretty this color palette is.
Oh, that's so good. Oh my gosh. I would enjoy it a lot more if I wasn't suffering.
Ooh, look at this slime poop. Look at that beautiful piece of art.
What is the chemical reaction going on here?
It's like you scrambled eggs with rotten eggs. That's what it looks like. And it probably smells like rotten eggs.
It does smell like rotten
I
egg.
don't want to get near
This
it.
is the worst smell.
Look, this looks like a unicorn horn. You gonna mix the other two? You're not done.
I'm done.
I'm curious to see what it looks like.
Well, this one actually feels really good now. My very first clay slime. But, goodbye. No. Oh, the fluffy slime feels so good. Oh, look at this fluffiness. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
My fluffy slime. Let's be done with it. Clear slime, you're going in. Goodbye. Oh no, I'm mixing it all together. This is disgusting. I'm sorry, slime. I'm sorry.
Hey, that looks like a ninja turtle. All right, goodbye, green slime. I'm gonna mix you in.
I'm having a difficult time mixing this. What does this look like to you?
A disaster. Oh, look at the color mine turned out with the green.
Hey, that actually doesn't look bad.
It actually went completely gray.
Actually a nice gray.
It's like a silver.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Mine isn't amazing.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. If you guys want us to do more challenges, give us suggestions down below. We will definitely check them out and do them next time. And also don't forget to subscribe to Max's gaming channel, Max Mellow.
We have a ton of fun on that channel. You guys will definitely enjoy it there.
Alright guys, that's it from us. And we'll see you guys next time on this channel.
Bye. Love you.